Hello. First, we notice the soup stock, which clearly labels the vegan and gluten-free options. So you can see here there's 3 vegan soups and curries. Next, we headed to Kaldi Coffee. Kaldi Coffee mo ikimashita. There's lots of products from around the world, as well as Japanese products, and of course coffee. These alcoholic chocolates are often just dark chocolate and alcohol, so it's worth reading the back to see if there is any milk or anything. Often there isn't. These otherly chocolates are oat milk chocolates. They have come out recently. They are a little bit expensive, but if you're fancying a nice treat yourself. The shame about products like that are kind of obviously vegan at Kaldi is that they tend to be not available all the time, like limited items. But there are some things like the gluten-free pasta, sometimes there are tortilla chips and other things. Those are always there. Just never know, kind of. Next we went to Bio-Seibon. Bio-Seibon has quite a lot of vegan products from cup noodles to vegan cheeses. They've got sauces, and a lot of the products clearly say vegan. And sometimes the product labels also say vegan. So it's kind of easy to see what you can and cannot have, even if you don't speak or read Japanese. So as a visitor, you can easily find snacks or things that you can eat. The Bio-Seibon also has stuff like breads, like stuff and little bento boxes as well. So if you are visiting, it's really good for, let's say, breakfast, because Japan, everything tends to open up at 11. So if you want to eat earlier, this could be a good option for you. If you can read or speak Japanese, then I would also advise just looking at the back of the products and checking the ingredients. Okay, get ready for some ASMR action, I think. Got some crispy sounds coming up. Okay, so these are Korean sesame snacks. Sesame nori, premium seasoned lava? I don't know what that means. Anyway, these are so good. I am sorry they are like 2 layers of plastic, not ideal. But they're so good. They're salty, they're sesame, crispy, which I love. They're really thin, see-through slightly. Let's give it a go. I always try to find the saltier side to lay on my tongue. I don't know if anyone else does that. It seems so simple, but so good. 韓国の海苔めちゃくちゃ美味しい。ゴムと塩だけでサクサクしい最高のおやつ。Also, so this is what I got at Kaldi Coffee. Now I'm also drinking it. This is from the Bio-Sebon. So this is the Pellegrino goods. In England, I used to always get the lemonade, the limonata, whatever it's called. Really yummy. This is tangerine and wild strawberry. It's so good. It's not got sugar in it. It's just like really simple water, like sparkling water, and just like some of the like flavors to make that tangerine and wild strawberry taste. It's got no calories, no sweeteners, no real sugar, which I personally really like. I don't like sweet drinks. I don't drink soda pops or anything like that. I don't like sweet alcoholic drinks that much either. I mean, I'll have one, if someone's got it at their party or whatever, but it's not something I'm ordering. I like savory drinks more, like tea or I guess bitter things like coffee. So this is perfect if you're similar to me and don't like sugary drinks. No sugar. これ砂糖なしの炭酸でみかんといちごの味でシンプル美味しい。おすすめです。他の味も最高美味しい。このブランドペルグリノというイタリアからのやつ、美容成分で買えます。他のところあるかもしれないけどおすすめ。これも